This video clip will help you assemble your Dare bike on your own. First, unpack your EZbox. You will see a manual in the toolbox. Please read the instructions carefully, which can help you better understand your Dare road bike before you assemble it. Check the tools for assembly in the toolbox. Now let's start to assemble your bike. Take out the bike from the EZbox. In the box, there is a mount used to fix the bike in place. Remove the wrappers from the front wheel and stem. And release the stem front plate. Take out the handlebar and put it in front of the stem. Before installing your handlebar, please check your stem model. We offer you different types of stems based on whether you were given our stem change offer. If you choose to receive our stem change offer, your bike will be equipped with a 60/61 aluminium stem. After you confirm the length of your stem that suits you best, we will then give you another 70/50 aluminium stem. Now we will demonstrate how to install a 60/61 stem. First, please make sure the side with the word 5NM is facing downwards. Then slightly screw in the stem front plate to facilitate further adjustment. Align the blue arrow with the gap. Please follow the instructions to tighten all the screws. Now we are going to demonstrate how to install a 70/50 stem. Like 60/61, keep the word side down. Please notice that top of the stem front plate has the shape of an arch. Slightly screw in the stem front plate and tighten the two screws on the top. Then align the blue arrow with the gap. Please follow the instructions to tighten the screws. If your bike is equipped with a Di2 system, plug in the electronic shifter to the junction. Take out the quick release from the toolbox. Loosen the quick release. Insert it to the front wheel and slightly tighten it. Next, fit the front wheel on the front fork. Make sure the wheel is placed at the center of the fork. Tighten the quick release and fasten the front brake quick release lever. Apply carbon friction paste to the seat post. If your bike is equipped with an electronic shifting system, please connect the wires to the seat post battery. Insert the seat post and tighten the seat clamping. Then check if the brake and shifting system work well, and whether you can shift the gear smoothly. Install the pedals, and remember to inflate the tyres according to the suggested value. After inflating the tyres, you are ready to ride your bike. Now we are going to show you how to store your EZbox. EZbox is reusable, and the wrappers can be folded and stored away. For further information, please visit the Dare official website, www.darebikes.com, or contact our customer service.